Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Zscaler account and authenticate. Firstly, we have to open up our browser, Microsoft Edge in this case. On the top right, you'll see three dots and you'll open the settings. Then you're going to go ahead and see if you have the Zscaler client connector certificate right there. Okay, so right now I don't have it, but I'm going to show you how to get it and install the Zscaler successfully. As you can see, I have already installed the Zscaler application. If you haven't, I've left the link down in the description and you can click on the link and download it. Moving on, after launching Zscaler Windows application, and click on Next, Next, and I'm going to wait for it to download. Now we're just going to go ahead and click on Finish. And we're going to open up our Zscaler. Now here it says Zscaler Client Connector. We're just going to enter our email. Now here you're going to use your Microsoft account already logged in to your laptop or PC. If you don't have one, just simply create one at Microsoft.com. I'm going to just put my information in it. As you can see, I'm entering my email. It's going to ask for my password. Now you can choose if you want to stay signed in or no. I'm just going to click on yes. Now it says registering with Zscaler services. As you can see, it takes a bit of time to register. And there we have it. It's connected. Now you have Zscaler successfully in your laptop or PC. You can go ahead and open it. And this is how it should look like. You have the private access, internet security, digital experience, notifications, and more. You can see all your details inside of it. Now I'm just going to go and show you my Zscaler certificate by going to the top three corners of the video. And you can go over to your settings and check for the Zscaler certificate. As you can see, I have the Zscaler root CA. And this is how you're going to connect your Zscaler to your PC or laptop. Just to verify this, we're going to go back. And we have the Zscaler internet access blocked. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, go ahead and leave a comment, like the video, and let us know what should we make on more.